Hello, want to sew adorable elastic waist shorts with pockets? In this easy beginner sewing tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make comfortable kids shorts with a perfect fit and functional pockets. No pattern needed. This quick DIY sewing project is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Start with your front fabric. Fold it in half, right sides together. Using these measurements, draft your pattern directly onto the fabric. Now, let's draft the back shorts piece. Place the front pattern on the folded fabric, trace the waist, hip, and crotch lines. Then extend the back crotch by 1 inch. The back piece is slightly larger than the front for a comfortable fit. Start by sewing the 2 front shorts pieces together at the front crotch. Then sew the 2 back shorts pieces together at the back crotch. Press the seam allowances to one side for clean and neat finish. For the pockets, cut 2 fabric pieces, each measuring 12 inches wide by 9 inches high. Fold each piece in half widthwise, each piece measuring 6 inches wide by 9 inches high. On each front shorts piece, measure 5 inches down from the waist and 2 inches in from the side seam. Mark and cut the pocket opening on both sides. Place the folded pocket piece underneath the front shorts piece, aligning it with the pocket opening. Mark the corner, then trim one corner of the folded pocket piece to match. Sew across the bottom edge of the folded pocket. Turn it right side out, then stitch the edge again for a clean finish. With the wrong side of the pocket facing out, align the trimmed edge with the pocket opening on the front shorts piece and sew. Turn the pocket right side out, press it flat, then top stitch for a clean finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your incredible support. Now both pockets are attached. Place the front and back shorts pieces right sides together, align the side seams, and sew. Finish the raw edges with a zigzag stitch or a serger for a clean, durable finish. Sew the inseam, then finish the raw edges with a zigzag stitch or a serger for a clean, professional finish. Our shorts are almost finished. Measure the waist opening carefully. Mine measures 25.5 inches, so I'll add 1/2 inch for the seam allowance and cut the waistband 26 inches long. Lastly, double fold the bottom edge to create a clean hem. Press it flat, then stitch all the way around. Our elastic waistband shorts with pockets are finally ready. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Please like this video and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps my sewing channel grow every single day. See you in the next tutorial.